Remove the bolts holding the hub bearing on the knuckle and then remove the hub. Clean the hub carrier thoroughly and make sure there is no dirt or rust left. Apply a layer of anti-fretting spray or paste to the contact surfaces of the bearing and the hub carrier. Tighten the replacement nuts supplied in the Moog box according to the car manufacturer's recommendations by using a torque wrench.
Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.